Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My beautiful name is Makena J. I know I've been making voiceover videos, so it feels a little bit different when I come and talk like this, but I'm used to it. Anyways, welcome back. I hope you've been doing great. I told you guys I'll give you a proper home tour one day, so today I'm going to give you a home tour of our countryside home where our videos have been coming from, so that you can see guys where we come from. But if you've been following my videos, you know. But let's go with an official home tour today. So this is the entrance. We started the entrance. It's been raining a lot, guys. As you can see, the fence we cut it like 3 weeks ago. Right now it's overgrown both sides, and because of the rain, there has been a lot of water. So we dug a trench over here, and put these sacks that you can see here, so that it can be easier maybe for the car or maybe the motorcycle. We use the motorcycle a lot, but when these holidays like this Christmas holiday, you don't know who is coming here, and also we have guests with cars. So this is the entrance. It's lovely. Come, let's see the inside. Come with me. So guys, welcome. This is the entrance. This is how it looks like. We put this sack over here so that, because of the dog, the dog can go out sometimes, and can go to the neighbors and all that kind of stuff and cause disturbance, that kind of stuff. So this is the entrance. One thing you'll notice, guys, is that there's a lot of flowers. The fence has a lot of flowers, like this here, that there. There's a lot of flowers around this home. So when you get to a countryside home, guys, even the fence is a flower, and we have this grass right here. So guys, this part of the home, the grass, there's a certain grass that we planted that ate up the other grass. So we sprayed some drying pesticide. Is it pesticide or like some type of medicine, some type of pesticide that makes the bad grass dry up. So because it's been raining, this is the best time to spray it up. We've been cutting it down. We just want it to dry up so that we can plant it afresh, because this grass is it's so beautiful. It's just so beautiful. This is the bad grass that I was talking about. This one kills the good grass. This is very bad grass. This is a good grass, as you can see. This is a good grass, and we've been trying to plant it. We've really been trying to replant it around the compound, like here. See? So guys, where I'm sitting right now, I don't know what I can call it. Outdoor space where we come to eat either lunch, breakfast. We don't eat dinner from here most of the time, because dinner is at night. You won't be eating here at night. Also, it's been raining a lot, so also like when it's raining, we don't use this space a lot. But this is one of our favorite spaces here at home, in our countryside home. I hope you're loving the video so far. And there's a charging port over here. It has a charging port over there and a globe. So which means even at night we can actually stay here. If you choose to, you can. Yeah. Another thing you'll notice around this home is that we have a lot of fruits around, like pawpaws, mangoes, I don't know what to call them. They're some kind of berries, wild berries. I don't know what to call them, but they're very delicious, and we're grateful to God for that. We also have guavas. We have we are blessed. That is all I can say. We are so blessed. And behind me here we have our pit latrine and the washroom, the bedroom where we take a shower. And this beautiful flower, love it so much. It makes the home looks beautiful, elegant. I just love it. So here we use pit latrines. We don't have like toilets inside the house. This is what we have. This is what every African home have. Yeah. I honestly don't know what to call this, like a small garden. It's not a kitchen garden because the kitchen garden is where you plant vegetables. Here we've planted a lot of pawpaws. Guys, pray for them to grow. We've planted a lot of pawpaws. There's also a lemon tree around here. More pawpaws, some that are grown. Come, let me show you something. Come. So guys, as you might know already, we live with our mom-in-law. We're really looking forward to building our home. So my mom-in-law really, she's a farmer and she's very hardworking. And what you can see here is what we call an Azolla. Do you know what is Azolla? Simply grows on the water. Yeah. And we've put a paper down here. We actually started this project with her, and you can see it's really blooming. And when we are able, to build, what can I say? To build, what can I say? We've put a paper down here. So we would really like to, like when we are able to build a small tank that is made of cement where water can be put, like a small dam, but not a small dam, a small tank. I don't know if you understand, to grow this Azolla, because the paper is very vulnerable. It can get torn down. Actually, this is torn down, and yeah, we would like, that is something we're looking forward to. Yeah. And around here we've planted also sweet potatoes and sugarcane around in some pawpaw. Guys, this is the base we usually come to eat sugarcane. Once we get sugarcane from the shamba, we come and sit here and eat. So in case you're wondering what is Azolla used for, it is okay. Someone told me to show them how we feed our kitchen. That is a video that I'm yet to make. How we feed our chicken, and one of the things to feed our chicken is Azolla. It's very good. It's a very good source of minerals that we'll talk about in the chicken video. Yeah, we are simply growing the Azolla for the chicken. Yeah. Guys, what you're seeing behind here is where we keep, I can call it like a store where we keep things like these maize cones. They stay here, they dry up so that you can use them for cooking. We also have a dog. We have our watchman over here, and he keeps security in the home. I'm going to show you, like, the land is very big, but let me just show you this part that you consider a kitchen garden. We have a small well over here that we use to water. Actually, we water a lot of things. It's where it's our source of water. And surprise, this fresh water, it's not salty water. So we drink it. It's very clean. In Mount Kenya, the water level is usually very near the ground. So when we dig a well, we don't get to the salty water. So this is the water we use to water our kitchen garden. And as you can see, we have so much in our kitchen garden. We are blessed with spring onions. We have even some garlic. We have sugarcane. We have spinach, skuma wiki. There is Chinese spinach. There is skuma matumbo. There's a lot here. Yeah. guys, this we call it mofagi. When it's in the garden, it ensures that no pests come near the plants. That's why we don't uproot it. There's a lot of it around here. There's one over there. We don't uproot it. It's very good even for woods. We call it mufagi. I don't know the English name. Guys, we have here, this is our chicken. This is the chicken that we planted Azolla for. It's a type of chicken like improved kienyeji. We call it improved kienyeji. They lay a lot of eggs, and we thank God for that. And feed them a lot of things that I'm going to show you in the kitchen video. But we are so blessed and we thank God. We have this part, I don't know what I can call it, but we have a lot of macadamia and we usually break them from here, but this is supposed to be where we put water, but this water doesn't come. I don't know, this side has issues with water, like this is how it's divided. The other side don't have issues with water, but this side we are just divided by the road. This side we don't get water, that's why we use well water. So we installed the water, it came once and has never come again. Yeah, so this part, we use it to break macadamia now because there's no water. Yeah. This is where we hang our clothes. You know, one thing one of the basic needs is always being covered. Food. So this is where once we hand wash our clothes, we hang them here to dry. Yeah, we hand wash clothes here. We don't have washing machine, but we really hope one day we will have it. Yeah. And now guys, this is the part that is connected to the kitchen. You know, the kitchen is the heart of the home, right? And this, once we wash our utensils, we usually keep them here to dry. Just here. Just like that. And it's very easy. They stay here the whole day and we get them inside the house at night. So we have this here. I don't know what to call it. I just know that when it's raining, this is where we remove mud from our shoes. Like you come with the shoe and you just has a little panga and two small poles that you insert in the ground, and when it's muddy, yeah. And guys, I think this is going to be the last thing that I'm showing you in this home. There's a lot to show, but that is what I managed today. So I'm not going to show you inside the house, guys. I told you, okay, I'm telling you this today. One day I will show you a house tour when we have built our own house with my boyfriend. You know, we're building our family slowly by slowly. So you understand, right? Yeah. Let me now tell you what you are seeing here. This is like the store. It's a mud house and it's really hard to let it go, guys, because it has a lot of memories for this home. And this is the home, this is the house. This one is used by the men. That's the kitchen. And that's the main house, where it's the house for the girls. The house for the girls, the house for the men, and the heart of the home, the kitchen. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. That is all I had for you guys. I told you I'll give you a proper home tour, and I've done so, and I'm really proud of myself for that. Yeah, so tell me if you enjoyed the video and if there's something you liked. Yeah, I hope you loved the video. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next vlog.